Okay, girl talk. Do you struggle with cellulite, especially on your thighs? Well, there are many women that have the same struggle. In fact, 9 out of 10 women have cellulite. Cellulite is the fat that causes the skin to have a dimpling effect. It is caused by a combination of factors including genetics, hormones, and lifestyle. But what if I told you there's a way to reduce the appearance of cellulite and get smooth, toned legs you've always wanted? Well, I have some fantastic tips that may help you get rid of that cellulite. Hello, lovelies. This is Razzie's Rays of Sunshine, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about topics that interest women. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to show me some support by subscribing to my channel and clicking the thumbs up button. Oh, and one more thing before we get started, always remember that my videos and the information provided are for entertainment and informational purposes only, to share thoughts and opinions. It is not intended as a substitute for professional advice. Please do your own research and consult with your own qualified professionals before taking any actions based on the information provided on this channel. Okay, let's get back to our topic of eliminating cellulite. So, how do people get cellulite in the first place? Genetics play a role in the formation of cellulite because certain genetic factors can make a person more predisposed to developing the condition. For example, a person with a family history of cellulite is more likely to develop it themselves. Hormones also play a role in the formation of cellulite. Hormonal changes in the body, such as those that occur with the use of certain medications or during pregnancy and menopause, can cause an increase in the amount of fat stored in the body and a decrease in the production of collagen, a protein that gives the skin its elasticity. These changes can make the skin appear dimpled or lumpy. Also, lifestyle factors such as diet. A diet high in processed food, such as sugar and saturated fats, can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and poor circulation. Lack of physical activity. Lack of physical activity can cause decreased muscle tone and poor circulation, leading to cellulite development. And smoking. Smoking can lead to poor circulation and decreased collagen production, which can contribute to the development of cellulite. It is important to note that while these factors may contribute to developing cellulite, it is common and affects most women at some point in their lives. So without further ado, to target cellulite on the thighs, I would recommend incorporating the following into your daily life and skincare routine. Number 1, get moving. Exercise is key in reducing the appearance of cellulite. Engage in regular cardio and strength training to burn fat and tone the muscles in the area. Activities such as running, cycling, swimming, and squats are great for targeting the thighs. Number 2, fuel your body with the right foods. Eating a healthy diet that is low in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats, but high in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will help to support overall skin health and reduce inflammation. Number 3, don't forget to stay hydrated. Not only is drinking water important for our overall health and skin health, but proper hydration can help the skin appear more plump and smooth, which can help to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Number 4, topical creams. If your skin is dry, it may be more prone to developing cellulite due to lack of hydration, so incorporating moisturizing products into your skincare routine may help. Look for creams that contain caffeine, retinoids, and other active ingredients that are thought to help reduce the appearance of cellulite. But that's not all. Number 5, dry brushing or massage. Use a dry brush or cellulite roller to massage the area. This can help to improve circulation and break up the fat in the area. This should be done before showering. So now you have these tips. Don't let cellulite hold you back from feeling confident and beautiful. It's important to note that while these methods may help to reduce the appearance of cellulite, it is not a cure, and it's difficult to eliminate cellulite completely, as it is a structural change in the skin that is caused by a combination of factors such as genetics, hormones, and lifestyle. Be consistent with your skincare routine and you will see the improvement over time. With a little effort, you can reduce the appearance of cellulite on your thighs and get smooth, toned legs you've always wanted. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more skincare tips and tricks like these, please let me know in the comments below. And again, I would love for you to show me some support by subscribing to my channel and clicking the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.